is sharing. Do you see my screen? Hello.
Yes, clearly.
Okay, so this, what do you mean clearly?
Sometimes you have fuzzy thing, but now it's wide. I think you have like hold my laptop. I can see it clearly.
Okay, so I just created an order, right? So I'm going to record this. I think I'm recording this, right? Okay, I'm recording now. So let's do it again. So what did I do? I went to this table. I went to this table, VBAK. Okay, all the sales documents created in this time frame. Okay, I did this, and then I got 152 entries. I just try to pick one that is something I wanted to do. These are order types. Okay, they have several order types. AOR, OR. So what are those order types, right? So AOR is a standard order. AOR is a standard order. Similarly, they have project quotation, repair quotation, there's a lot of the service quotation. I actually showed you this. There are 351 entries. Why they have 351 entries? Companies just don't buy and sell, right? They have varieties of reasons why they do this, right? Repair quotation, standard order, order type, right? There's a lot of things. So what did I do? I took the AOR order. I try to recreate this. So which is this? So so for example, let's say I took this order, which is this guy here.
So this sales type, is this SAP standard or we can type based on the what is the sales order? That's you just create AOR.
Right. Correct. This is a standard order. Okay. This is the one I'm trying to create this. What did I do? I'm just keeping this one side. Okay. I'm just copying the data from there. Let's do this. Okay. This is exactly what I did. This is the beginning standard order. Okay. So the transaction code I use is which is here, standard create order VF01, I think VA01. Okay, this is what you're going to do. VA01 sold to party I'm taking from here. And what's the difference between what is sold to party? What is sold to party? What is shipped to party? What is blah 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 blah? What is spilled to party? Why? Do you know? Can somebody tell me? So I'm then taking the material here. This is the material. Okay. Everything is there. That's it. That's all I did. Okay. The PO number. What's the PO number? What's the relevance of the purchase order number? What's the relevance of the purchase? What is the relevance of the purchase order number? Why do you need a purchase order number? Anand?
Yeah.
Yamini, why do you need a purchase order number here?
For the two-way handshake, two-way or three-way handshake process for complete the payment.
No, sir. What's up? That's two-way matching, three-way matching is in the procurement. This is selling, right? Order to cash. What's a purchase order number? Why do you need a purchase order number here? So this is the order you're creating, right? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? What's with this order? What is the purpose of this order?
Based on PO number, you will find out the purpose of this order, right?
I mean, quantity and everything, all the information.
Yes, I'm recording. Yes. Correct. You're selling this to the customer, right? So you are creating an order. In order to buy from you, this stupid customer would have issued a purchase order, right? Because he's purchasing from you, right?
Yes.
So that purchase order number goes here as a reference. Okay. So that, let's say tomorrow the customer calls and say, hey, I issued a purchase order, where's my stock? Then you can check in the system, okay, give me a purchase order number. This is just common sense, right? Then he will look up and say, okay, this is a purchase order number, this is the order number. This is in process, or this is in delivery mode, this is in whatever it is, right? Shipment mode or whatever it is, right? You can have a date too. Great. This is all I did, right? So I put the material number. Then very important thing here is there's something called, which is quantity. Let's say I'm ordering 10. I'm selling 10, okay? I'm not ordering, I'm selling 10. See here, this is availability control, okay? When I hit enter, it automatically goes to availability control, okay? Basically, it says how much quantity you have for sale, okay? Delivery confirmation date, on so-and-so date, we confirm quantity, we cannot deliver anything, okay? This is proposal, one-time delivery, complete delivery, and delivery confirmation date. Don't bother about all this stuff, okay? Just click enter. Great. We got this now, right? Ordering party. This is the guy who's ordering us. And then somewhere I wanted to see my sales organization. Anyways, just save it, okay? So order created. Okay, again, what did you do? I went to VA 01. Okay, this is very important. But this screen I missed it before, okay? This screen I missed it. So when you go to VA01, this information will pop up. What is the order type? Is it return order, promotion order, sales order, free order, delivery order, sample order? All this you have to choose, standard order. This is very important. It's just organizational data and the sales. Like in company code, we have company code, company code, right? A lot of, like, so enterprise structure. Similarly, in sales, we also have this enterprise structure. Sales org, distribution channel, division, sales office. Okay. The way you pronounce also very important, right, Anand?
So, Jay,
Yes.
when you put the order type, is this sales organization, these are based on the order type, or this is one-time configures?
No, it's a good point. I like this type of questions. Yes, it's not. So you choose order type, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to put this everything. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Where you selling? Okay. Like I said, I think I told you yesterday, right? Sales org is based on what product you sell. If you say 1,000 is for Germany Frankfurt sales organization.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, so I create this, enter. I'm doing a standard order. Again, this is very, very, very high level, basic, like a baby step. Okay? In actual company, they run full triathlon. What we are doing is just a baby step.
Okay.
Okay, again, I'm doing this again. Excuse me. Delivery block is nothing, billing block nothing, payment code is nothing. Verification payment terms should come up automatically. Order quantity 20 again. Okay, confirm quantity is 20. Just click it, then save it.
Then it will create.
Net
Okay.
value 548.88.
Yeah.
Where is coming from? 548. Where this coming from?
Because you give that order quantity and for price here.
Yeah, but it's 28, right? 28. 28 times 20 is how much? 530, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why is 540?
Maybe the tax
560.
more.
Yeah, so basically, let's do this. Okay,
Discount.
if we double click here, it will take me to the order quantity, fast delivery date, net value. See, net value is 548. This is exchange rate is 1. This is euro.
Oh, okay.
No, account assignment. Go to conditions. Here you will see. This is $28, right? There's a customer discount of $2, 2% we are giving. Okay, I went to the condition. You guys have to do everything. Okay, you have to go actually more. You have to be very more curious on what the schedule line means, what account assignment means, right? You have to go there. Okay.
Okay.
So price condition type is PR00. Very important. Also very important. This is exactly what they tell in the interview recording. You will hear this. SD integration. Condition types. Okay. The condition type is a PR00 is a price. It takes a price. Double click this guy here. Okay. This is the integration account key ERL. This is exactly the interview question. In ST, that's called purchasing procedure. Purchasing procedure contains all the condition types, condition info records, and condition types are assigned to the URL account key. And VKOA table, URL is assigned to the GL account. That's the integration. Okay, I'll show you. This is exactly what we're going to learn. Okay, the customer discount 2%. Where this K001 coming up? Because this is coming from the pricing procedure. Pricing procedure is basically a list of conditions on what you're going to sell, how much you're going to sell. And you assign the pricing procedure to the condition to the customer and the material. For this customer, if I'm selling this material, this is the discount. Okay. And good account assignment here. It goes to this business area, goes to the profit center. And this is coming from the material master of the profit center. Let's take a look. So let's save this guy here. Great. Now I've created. Now I can go and display the order, right? Go and display the order, which is 15572. It's right here. So far clear? Okay. I double click the material. Again, you can go and play around here. Schedule lines. Okay. It is a schedule, and basically it's a scheduled delivery. Okay. Order quantity is 20 today, and to delivery date, you're going to deliver this confirmed quantity 20. Okay, rounded quantity, confirmed quantity. Do some Google search. I'm not going to do deep into this. Okay, great. Now we created order. What is the next we're going to do? We created the order. What next?
Delivery. Delivery the goods now.
Right. What is the transaction code to create delivery?
BL01N.
Great. There you go. Great. Awesome.
I'm learning, man.
Yeah,
I'm learning.
BL01. Good. So create outbound delivery with order reference. Okay, because we give an order. Okay. Great. Let's see. Again, what I'm going to do is, I already have this. Okay, this is the reference order I'm creating. This is the reference order, right? I'm using this order to create mine. Correct, Bhavna? Okay, so this is a returns delivery. So I'm going to select this guy, display this document, and see what is my shipping plan. It's not showing up. Let's go here, display. It's not showing up. Never mind. What's my shipping point, right? Now I'm going to deliver. When I deliver, I have to choose a shipping point. Which shipping point I am doing from. So I'm going to take, I'm just going to pick something random, okay?
You can pick VR01. I have created the shipping point.
No, the shipping point has to be with the shipping plant. The shipping plant has to be assigned to a company code, right?
True.
So this is, let's say European, right? So let's take something, should be this one, or yeah, let's take 1000. Okay, for this order, I'm choosing the shipping point 1000. Because I have an order, I put the order. Without order reference, you can do it, but generally you don't do it. If there's no order, your goods are not going out of the warehouse. Make sense? Order cannot be delivered because of different shipping points, delivery split. The copy condition specified in the copy control do not allow the order to be delivered. The order is blocked for delivery. The order documents can complete. So the order is blocked for delivery. Why? The same delivery with the other item in the document because the shipping point is different. Yeah, the shipping point is different. Okay, let's do this. I'm going back to the order.
Because it's maybe the different
shipping point.
Shipping point.
Correct. So I got to choose the same shipping
point.
Right,
shipping point, yes.
Let's see here. Is there a shipping point here? Okay. Ordering party shipping. There you go. Shipping point is not here. Yeah, 003. Okay. So let's see 003. Because in the order, it's a 003, right? That's why it's saying that, why do you want to ship from 1000? No schedule line items due for delivery for the selected date. Yes. So selection date, because the date for this order is delivery date is 0604. Okay, let's say this is the one we created, right? Yeah, it has a delivery date of 604. Now, why
You
I'm
put
doing
there is, yeah, the
right?
date is now.
The system is saying, why do you want to ship now?
Mhm.
Or shipping to your uncle? System saying, no, don't do this. So I'm changing the sales. Yeah, okay. I'm creating delivery now. Make sense? So out of this 20, total weight is 40. I can deliver, let's say 10 now. Okay. Actual goods issue date. Now I'm going to deliver. So after when I create a delivery, then I do a post goods issue. Just doing a delivery. And a delivery is different from a post goods issue. When I'm creating delivery, basically I'm telling the system that I am ready to deliver. Okay. Then it goes to the warehouse. The delivery node goes to the warehouse. From the warehouse, they
I can.
post goods issue. Post a goods issue. Okay. I think this is all we need. Let's do it. If there's an error, we'll okay. Now see, you can also post the goods issue from here. Correct? So when you create a delivery, there's no system impact. Okay, now I have created delivery. I'm going to go and change it. It's currently processed by another user. That should be me. So this is the delivery document. Now I'm going to post a goods issue, right? VL00121. Let's put 2 in. Okay, now from here I can post a goods issue, correct? Delivery has not been put away, picked completely. See, before you do this, there's something called picking. When you create a delivery, you go to the warehouse people have to do the picking. Basically, like in Amazon, right? They take the order, they go around the warehouse and pick the items, right? Before they actually ship. Make sense? They use the loader, they go around and climb the ladder and all this stuff. So what happens was, okay, the picking. Delivery quantity is 10. You go to the picking tab here, okay? Picked quantity is showing 0. Okay, this is our mistake. So I don't know how to change this guy here. I'm just supposed to deliver 10. Okay, why have to change this guy here? Let's see, batch split. No, I have to change the picking quantity. Picking date and time is here. Loading, delivery quantity. Yeah, picking. See, I have to change this. So let's see here. Delivery has not been put away, picked completely, processed by delivery has not been completely processed by warehouse management. Okay. So what's happening here? Picked quantity should be 10 as well. It is going from warehouse number 10. See, it says not yet picked. Why? Not yet. Warehouse management transfer order required. Did not warehouse. So let's see. Pack incompleteness. You can check the log. What's happening? Deliver sales order. Confirm pick order. See all items. Items confirmed. Okay. Okay. Post goods issue. I'm having the same error. Pack. Not packing. Document flow. Delete. Other delivery. So picking output. There's nothing there. These are outputs, right? This is copy pack quantities. Ask. Picking quantity cannot be entered. Why?
How about that item review overview?
Here.
No, the item, the first one.
So this is just delivery quantity. There is a
Maybe we can change like all the way go down. Maybe. Oh, it's still the gray out.
Yeah, I think we got to
Display and change maybe.
yeah, because the delivery is relevant to warehouse management. So I cannot do the what I search in Google. It's saying that okay, transfer order delivery. Okay, LT03. Create transport order. I think warehouse number. I think we saw the warehouse number, right? Speaking from where? Do you remember the warehouse number? Somewhere I saw the warehouse. So the warehouse number. This is order, standard order, shipping. Here, go shipping. I thought there was a warehouse.
This is the A or something like that.
I saw some. I think the outbound delivery. If you go to the outbound delivery, the transaction could be L02. Come on. I think I saw the warehouse here. Yeah, warehouse number 10. Okay. Put the 10 here. Outbound delivery is this guy. Entry does not.
There's nothing this.
This is 010, 010, 010. Plant, I don't know what's a plant.
Can we delete this order and I mean we can redo it? Maybe it's just the case.
Yeah, okay. So I create a TO for delivery. Okay, I'm going to save this. I'm creating a transfer order. This is basically it's a work list that goes to the warehouse management. Okay. Then after that, there's a transaction code called LT12. Wow, first time doing this. Okay, transfer order created. So after delivery node, you're creating a transfer order. Confirm the transfer order number 3731. Storage type, picking area, I don't know. Adopt picking quantity. Yes. Include picking worker, I don't know. Okay, pick and transfer, yes. Enter. So I guess you're able to follow. I created order and I created delivery, outbound delivery, confirmed or cancel. Transfer order already confirmed or cancel. Sent. Okay, let's do it now. Now I'm going to create. What are we doing now? Delivery, right? No, post goods issue. Now let's see. Yeah, great. It's working, right? Now this error because the MMPVs is not the much material management purchase the Yamini, help me.
In MMPV, we have to open those periods.
Exactly. So which period we have to open? We are posting into 1000 company code, I believe, right? OMSY. If you go to OMSY, it will show you for 1000. It's open. It's period 3 and 4 is open. Okay. Now we have to open 5. So from 1000 company code, I'm going to open the period 5. Fiscal year 2019. Open this MMPV period. Period closing completed. Now I can do this. Outbound delivery, post goods issue. Okay, posting possible, period 5. Oh, because I'm posting into January, right? I'm posting into, because the delivery date is June, right? So I got to open June as well. Make sense? The delivery date we chose June, remember?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Now open the MMPV. Now I'm going to post the VL002N. Damn it, post the position. Yay, delivery has been saved. Okay, what does it mean? The goods issue posted or not? We don't know, right? What we can do, we can go and look at the order VA03, right? Sorry, VA02. Let's go to the order. This is the order. Okay, here, if I can click the document flow, it will tell me yes. So transfer order, WMS, warehouse management. The order was transferred to the warehouse management. So I created, okay, standard order. Then I created delivery, right? For the 10 units. And then after that, I transferred the order to the warehouse management, which I did. After that, the goods issue happened at the warehouse. 10 pieces, $220 in total. Okay, it's complete. Awesome, right? So this is the process. Order, create delivery. Then after that, you do the picking and which is this transaction code. I just searched it in Google. So LT03 and LT2. LT03, create reference with outbound delivery, and LT12, confirm the transfer order. Then you post a goods issue. This is what it did. This is what it did. Okay. Then you got to follow the steps to complete the picking and issue for the sales order. And I already told you what's called picking, what is called, why do you have to do the picking? Okay, what next? What is the next step? Anybody? What's the
Now
next
you
step?
send the invoice, right?
Exactly. So once you do this, you release to accounting.
Mhm.
Okay, you release to accounting. How do you release to accounting? So you have to go to, no, you do the billing.
Billing, yeah.
Release to billing, I think. Let's go back here, sales order. Okay. Billing. Click the billing and see what happens. Processing of document. From the order, change order, I do the billing. No billing documents were generated. Okay, I don't know why. Usually billing happens automatically, right? They run a batch job, midnight batch job. They don't do it manually. I don't know. Let's put, this is the order, right? So let's put,
So you're saying after the
finally,
delivery, like the invoice automatically generate, or we have to generate?
no, basically in the big companies, right? They run
Uh-huh.
every day, every 3-4 hours, they run a billing job. They call it billing job.
Okay.
They take all the orders and
Mhm.
creates a billing.
Okay.
It's a big issue. People don't even sleep. During the close, I have no billing document generated. Processing status incorrect. Why? Again, as lot Google. Create a billing document. For the coffee now. I miss my coffee. Okay, when you create a billing document, if some reason Y access from the transaction VF01 without saving the document, it is creating a billing document. Well, inquire the billing document. Okay, which I did, right? VF01. Create a billing document. Okay. This is the order, billing type, invoice. This is where I was before. Just invoice F1 maybe. Billing date is I-22. Let's say this guy. No billing documents were generated. Why? Why it was incorrect. No No billing document generated by C log. Where is log? Executed. More documents. Again, ask Google. No billing document generated. VPJ. I'm actually doing this for the first time, okay? I never went this far. OVBJ. Maintain date category for billing. Actually, we don't have to go this far. I'm just trying to teach the integration, but I went to a lot of, I'm just searching wildly in Google. Delivery related versus billing. No billing documented. Change the billing relevance to item category. Change the billing quantity indicated to E. If you want to post the billing document, oh, because we put the purchase order number there, right? What it's saying is because we put the purchase order number, it will only release the billing when the customer pays. That's what it says. Okay. Okay, but anyways, regardless, I think we went this far. Next step is just to release to accounting and release the billing document and release to accounting. Okay, release the billing document and release to accounting. Okay, release the billing document, release to accounting. So I was just thinking we could try to fix it, but that's not our job. Okay, it's a SD guy's sales and distribution guy's job. We were only looking at the integration. We were trying to look at the integration, but still we didn't get that far to release this to accounting or billing. So that's fine. Okay, what you guys can do so far we are able to follow, right? Sales order process. All you need to know sales order process and the accounting documents created and how the integration happens. Okay.
Okay.
So we have 01, right? I'm going to show you. No, this. Okay. So next thing I'm going to show you is how this integration happens. Okay. Let's see here. We were looking at one accounting document, right? So let's take this guy here. POR. This is the posted standard sales order. Okay. How this STMM integration happened. There's other videos too in my own channel. There are other videos where I explain how the ST integration works. You were able to follow, Anand? You still there, Anand?
Yeah.
Anand, sorry, Anand.
Why suddenly Anand?
Oh, we don't know. Your name will be pronounced by Americans by Anand. Nobody calls you Anand.
Yeah.
I have several. People like Anand and a guy, my friend Anand Radhakrishnan. Everybody calls him Anand.
Yeah, they can't. Yeah.
Because in US, right? They only the second vowel will be the extended pronunciation. Okay, the second vowel. Okay, let's say, I'm sure they call it Bhavana because the second A would be extended. So I have a friend, another name Bijal. His name is Bijal. They call it Bijal.
Bijal, yeah.
Bijal, yeah. I was giving interview for Rick. I don't want to record this. Sorry, I'll tell you later.
Yes, please.
This is just an order. There's no document created.
So you can say what you have given the interview.
Yeah, there was
Yourself.
a guy in the interview, right? There was a guy by name Ranga. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I know, you know how people call Ranga in US. Can somebody tell me how they call how they pronounce Ranga? The word Ranga.
Ga.
Ranga.
Ranga.
They do Ranga, maybe.
Maybe Ranga.
See, I did not know, but that's exactly Rekha said, right? Because
Yeah.
I know how she will pronounce the word. That's exactly I said. Okay, I didn't say Ranga because in Indians,
Yeah,
right?
I know that you said that.
Right.
Yeah, I
So
noticed that.
all this needs a lot of presence of mind, right?
Yeah.
All this thing I got to think through this because when Rekha goes there, she's not going to say Ranga, she say Ranga, right? I
Yeah.
exactly say Ranga. Hey Ranga, can you repeat the question?
She's like, wow. That's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't call Ranga.
See, yeah, all
That's
this
funny.
experience, man.
Yeah.
Okay, this just order created.
Hope you don't scare my husband one day.
Why? Why?
You know why, right?
What does it mean? Why?
I mean, I can't say it now. I'll tell you later.
Everything is experience, right? Okay, I'm going to this document flow. Yeah, there's no documents, created. What I can do, I can go to VBRK table. Okay, VBRK table contains a billing document. Okay, so document category, fiscal year 2019. No documents created 2019. Billing documents created, really? 18. Anyways, so I'm going to show you something. Okay, so let's go back to the same order, VF03, which is ours, right? Sorry, VA03. This is the order we created. Now the condition, how the integration happens, right? I was telling you, we'll click this guy here, go to conditions, PR00, okay, PR00 tells us run all this stuff, right? Now PR00, if you click PR00, this condition type is assigned to the account key ERM, okay, ERM. Now on another screen, I'm going to open a screen transaction code VKOA. VKOA. Open the transaction code VKOA. Just click in any of those. Great. Now I'm going to search this VKOA. The chart of accounts is already there. Who created this? Somebody, you, Rekha? Somebody maintained this. Wow.
Maybe.
Okay, now my company chart of accounts is INT. Okay, and the account key ER. See? Where's INT?
Not there. See, these are the thing I was asking.
INT is here.
Because ST guy has to configure all this is, right?
Correct. Okay, INT is here. Okay, ERO for each sales organization, right? Our sales organization is 1,000. Okay, but this is N50. If you go up, it will be one. There'll be you'll see 1,000. If you keep all the way go up, it will be 1,000. Go. Almost there. Okay, we are there. So INT 1000 ERO. So this is the GL account. This will post. This revenue will post, which is this $15,000 will post into the GL account. Why? Because this is the condition type. It is assigned to the account key. The account key is mapped for this combination of chart of accounts and sales org. This is the GL account. This is the simple integration, STA with FI. Okay. Make sense? All right, this is exercise, okay? You're gonna create, now you got the video, okay? Create a sales order. Once you create a sales order, post a delivery, okay? And then post a delivery. Before you post a goods issue, you have to do the transfer to the warehouse management, confirm to the warehouse management. You know, there's a transaction code. You know this, then you do a post goods issue. Once you post a goods issue, this accounting document created, okay? So we can look at the accounting document that's created. VA03, we go back here. This is the guy. This is the one we are working on? No, ours is 7, right?
Yeah, that's not yours.
Ours is 7, I think. Okay, we did this. Okay, wow, this is beautiful. We should have tried this. Okay, so this is we should have tried this. This is the one we created? No, this is past. Okay, so we can look, okay, if you take any of this order, right? Okay, this is another exercise. Take this order, 1557, okay? Go to this document here. Click on the document flow and click one by one and see. A goods issue, right? Click on goods issue. This is the goods issue document. Display this document. Actually, not that way. Display this document here. It will show you the delivery document. From here, you go to the accounting document. There you will see the inventory posting. Okay, this is the material document. And the accounting impact is this. Click on the accounting document. You will see your inventory credited and inventory change, which is your cost of goods sold account, gets debited. Make sense? And similarly, you go back all the way. Now this is accounting document of invoice. Click on the invoice. Okay, now select this guy here, display document. Here is when you debit the customer and credit the sales, right? Sales is credit. Debit expenses, credit the income. Make sense?
Yes.
And this is credit memo, which is invoice correction. So you have to take this order 1557 and try this. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. I want you to create 5 orders and post a, they create a delivery, transfer to a warehouse management, do the picking and confirmation, and then create a post a goods issue. But unfortunately, we don't know why we're not able to do it today. The release to billing, but we could have tried this one. We could have tried this guy. Or you could do this. Take this order, 1557. Everything copy from here, and then you could do release to billing. Okay? Who wants to do it?
I will, because I need this. I'm working on it. So I'll do it.
Correct. Everybody, I'm telling you, this is very, very important. Okay? This is very, very important. I'm telling you, this is very important. This is basic. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is basic, and I'm telling you, when you finish this, when you finish the reading, you will get a job. The job will come to you. Okay? You have to be prepared. You have to be ready. If you're not ready, nothing will happen. Right? I'm not a guy who just send you for a job and wait for you to come back. That is not me. Okay? Everything, it's a professional development coaching, which is I'm more focused on. This is SAP. This is SAP. One of the things I love the most in this world. Okay? Give respect to it. All right, guys. Any questions?
Not now. Tomorrow we'll have a lot of error. Then we'll ask you questions.
Yes. If you have errors, write it down, step by step. If you have any questions, and ask me, call me, WhatsApp me, Yamini, stop by me and ask me questions. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes.
questions.
Yes.
I go to the table and find from the order from there, right? So I don't need to configure all the SD things. So I can just directly work on any order. But this number I can work on. Okay.
Remember,
That will be easier.
I never taught to configure company code, right? Never.
Yeah, that's true.
I never told anybody.
But I have nothing to you know, how to do sales order. That's the reason. And then I try to do everywhere I see the error. So then I was in the document and
Yeah,
then
the thing is, right, you can take a piece of paper and follow the steps and do it.
yeah.
But I want to challenge your mind. I want to challenge your brain. Okay. That's
Okay.
why you go and find, because you're going to work on an existing production system.
True.
The information is right there. But how do you search it? How do you find it? That's very important.
Right. Yes, sir.
Any questions? Anand, you good?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to wait. Give you until tomorrow. Okay. Do this. And then we go from there.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Talk to you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good night. Bye.
Bye.